This goes back, actually, this is a good one. This goes back to the first segment where I talked about investing. Bear markets last 4.3 years. I'm sorry, bull markets last 4.3 years. Bear markets last 0.9 years. Don't pay attention to buying low, selling high. In long-term investing is drip, drip, drip system, DCA. The number of 401ks. Now, not every company that you work for will give you a 401k, but if they were, please max it out and make sure they're matching you to a certain degree. Okay. The number of 401ks, this is for retirement. You don't have to, if you don't have a 401k, if you're an independent contractor, a SEP IRA. If you're open an IRA, I mean, you got to look out for your in retirement. Because I got 7 years to go, 7.5 years to go to 65 to get my Social Security money back that I paid all my life. I'm kind of actually nervous that I may not even get it. They may move the age to, like, I don't know, 70 or something, right? But then who needs the government when it comes to that? Do your own retirement planning, right? So if a company is offering a 401k plan, just max it out every year and make sure they contribute as well. And most companies do about 50%. So the number of 401ks, this shows you guys the power of long-term investing. The 401k accounts with balances of at least $1 million soared to a record of 497,000 in Q2 2024. This is up 2.5% from the 485,000 seen in Q1. So what is happening? The market, most of this money is going into passive investments, right? Such as ETFs and spiders and things like that. And sure, there you go. That's how it works. Drip, drip, drip. Look at the chart. See, this is the chart that I want to see. Okay. Over the last 4 years, the number of millionaire accounts for 401ks have tripled. However, one caveat. So we talked about that, how to protect yourself against inflation, what investments will work, what types of investments. Gold just hit a new high, by the way. The purchasing power of 1 million today is equivalent to 750,000 prior to 2020. Yeah, that's inflation. That's about 25%. And the true rate of inflation, people, is 6 to 7% per year. Your single dollar is losing purchasing power by 6 or 7% a year. Do not get gaslit by the government. Do not believe a word that the government is saying. It's not 2.4%. It's about 6 or 7% that your money is losing its purchasing power. Meanwhile, the average 401k account balance in Q2 was 127.1, well below the 2021 peak. Now, 2021 peak was, as we know, time of the pandemic. So the point I'm trying to make is, please look out for yourself. Don't expect government to help you in anything. 401, if you're working at a major company or anywhere that's offering you a 401k, please take advantage of it. If you're a self-employed person, please open an IRA, SEP IRA. You get the tax deduction. You get the tax deferred income in it. Until you take the money out, you're not paying any interest. Please research it. Please take care of your own retirement. Forget about the government helping you. Look, if you're working at a W-2, you're going to pay, into the Social Security fund. You have to. I mean, that's it. There's no two ways about it. You can't tell your employer, don't take Social Security taxes out. I mean, it's gonna. If you're young, if you're in your 30s, you're paying into the Social Security fund. Who are you paying for? 70 million baby boomers are about to retire. 70 million. Think about it. But those people also paid all their lives. You have to understand that. So now have to get something out of it. But if you're 30 and paying into the Social Security fund, most likely you're not going to get your money. So you're paying for the people. It's like a Ponzi, right? The people paying into the fund today are taking care of the people who paid. But what did the government do on that one? They went and raided the Social Security fund. They borrowed against it too. So don't trust the government whatsoever, especially when it comes to your money. Other things, maybe to a point. So yeah, please look out for your own future. Invest.